Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can add subtasks to your tasks and activities in the Todoist mobile application. So let us begin. Alright guys, so here in the Todoist mobile app, what you want to do is select one of these overviews at the bottom, like the upcoming view or the calendar view here, or your inbox. So simply navigate to the task you would like to edit. Let me go with this one here. This one here at the top, tap into it. And adding subtasks is actually very simple, guys. Here in your task customization or editing, tap into add subtask below. And after that, simply create your subtask the same way you would do with a normal task. So let me give it a name like subtask 01 or something like that. For demonstration purposes, describe it below by tapping into this button. Add a date. You may also set a priority, a reminder. Let me, for example, set the subtask to tomorrow. Set a priority as previously mentioned, a reminder. So simply go through these menus here. You may tap into these three dots here to the right as well. Add a label or assign a label. Select it. And that's it. And once you're ready, guys, simply tap into that arrow icon in the bottom right corner to add your subtask to your task. Wait for a brief moment. And there you go. As you can see, your subtask has been successfully added, so that you may now mark it as complete or add more subtasks. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.